Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 14 and the name of the lesson is Unity in Diversity. So let's start the lesson. The people of India have diversity in religion, language, culture, food, attire, living practices, customs, rituals, festivals, residence, beliefs, etc. The diversity which is seen in is rarely seen in other countries of the world. India has become a subcontinent due to these diversities. In our country, diversity is seen from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Now, next topic is religion. The people of our country follow religion like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, etc. Next topic is language. Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, and Konkani, etc. languages are spoken in our country. In spite of existing diversity in language, various languages have importance to maintain unity of our country. Next topic is culture. Cultural diversity is widely seen in our country due to differences in religion and language. Cultural diversities can easily be seen in various regions or states. People living in different parts of country celebrate festivals like Diwali, Holi, Uttarayan, Dashera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Asadi Dooj, Moharram, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, Onam, Pateti, Baisakhi, etc. together. Now, things to know. People living in the different part of our country have expertise in different types of dances like Ras Garba from Gujarat, Bhangra from Punjab, Kathak from Uttar Pradesh, Kuchipudi from Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali from Kerala, Bharatnatyam from Tamil Nadu, Bihu from Assam, Odissi from Odisha, Ghumar from Rajasthan, etc. Along with diversities, there are also many variation in people's food, attire, residence, custom and traditions, etc. India has become a country with diversity because of geographical factors like climate, topography, farming, forest, etc. Now, children, on page number 91, activity is given here. So, name of some festivals are given below. Write down in the given box people of which religion celebrate them. So, first is Pateti. So, the name of people, religion should be written in this box. So, Zoroastrian. Second is Eid. So, name will be Islam. Shivratri, Hinduism, Baisakhi, Sikhism, Christmas, Christianity, and Mahavir Jayanti, Jainism. Then below this, again one activity is there of name of some of the dances are given below. Fill in the blanks with the name of state associated with dance. So Kathakali is from Kerala, Ghumar is from Rajasthan, Ras Garba from Gujarat, Bhangra from Punjab. Now next topic is unity in diversity. Indian culture is one of the ancient culture of the world. People of our country differ from one another in many ways such as attire, food, residence, religion, language, custom, festival, etc. Yet there is emotional unity. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country. People of different religion, language and caste love and honor their country. They have a feeling of sacrifice and cooperation for the nation. It is called national unity. Development in the economic, social, industrial fields occur because of national unity. People maintain peace, security, and prosperity in spite of the diversities. That's why Dr. Radhakrishnan stated that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept need of national unity. During the freedom movement, our countrymen made the vision of unity possible through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. Unity in diversity is a special feature of our country. Different caste, religions, custom, cultures, languages, etc. are integrated in India. Since India have a diverse culture, it has been able to create a variety in culture. India has followed the principle of Vasudev Kutumbakam, the whole world is a family. India, in true sense, spread the feeling of religious tolerance and equality in the world. India is a secular country. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of Indian cultures. In our country, we see combination of various religions, caste, languages and festivals. People of India live a life of coexistence. Indian people have developed and conserved this unique diversity. Now student, I will explain the further topic in my next video. Thank you.